Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclone, and this is for today, Friday, until Monday, August 21 to 24, 2020. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat, beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We have now the active low pressure area moving northward, and it's now moving away from the Batanes group of islands after passing very close to Basco around noontime today. And this active LPA 90W is now having a higher chances of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 6 to 24 hours. And likely, as we speak right now, it's already a full-blown tropical depression based on new satellite data as of 6 p.m. this evening. So it might become IGME later tonight, as it is being named by Pag-asa. All tropical cyclone local names is being named by Pag-asa. So IGME will be the 9th tropical cyclone for the year, and we're not going to issue Typhoon 2000 storm advisory since this system is exiting already towards southern islands of Japan or to the east Taiwan Sea. So there's no need to issue warnings as of this time. If you want full warnings, you must proceed to Pag-asa to get the latest official weather bulletins on upcoming TD IGME. That will be probably later tonight or early tomorrow morning. So watch out for that. But we are going to update our page to put the tropical system into Typhoon 2000 so that you can see the other agencies monitoring or giving updates on our website. Okay, so that's the future development of LPA 90W. And you can see this monsoon trough all the way towards the southern part of the southern coastal areas of China into northern Vietnam, and some parts of it extending towards the North Philippine Sea, and it's still affecting the extreme northern parts of Luzon with on and off rainfall brought about by the enhanced southwest monsoon affecting much of Luzon, most especially the western sections from the Mindoro Occidental area up to Ilocos region and Cagayan Valley. So Metro Manila will have on and off rainfall, but as we speak right now, it's already improving. Some improvement of the weather will be expected. Most of the rainfall are now concentrated along the western sections of Ilocos provinces, Benguet, La Union, Pangasinan, and Zambales. Elsewhere, across Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, we have the weaker Habagat, the southwesterly surface wind flow, bringing some breezy conditions and good weather actually, with some chances of passing isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the evening or early morning. And Mindanao will have good weather except for some afternoon localized thunderstorms, especially through the evening. And so far, that's the latest from our GraphSat. And as we look at our fast animation, you can see here the developing low-level circulation center of tropical disturbance 90W, which is likely to become a tropical depression in the next few hours. So this system is no longer a threat to our country, as it is expected to accelerate towards the southern islands of Japan. Further across the western Pacific, it's all clear. Just a long surface trough here to the west of the Marianas or to the west of Guam. So the Philippine Islands will have improving weather, although the western sections of extreme northern and northern Luzon will still continue to be affected by the southwest monsoon, as long as the system will remain here along the western Japan and South Korea area. So expect still on and off rains through the weekend. And as we look at windy.com zoom in satellite animation, this is for the Philippine Islands, and as you can see, there's still lots of thunderstorms affecting extreme northern Luzon, Ilocos region, and Cagayan Valley. and also the western sections of central and southern Luzon because of the southwest monsoon, while here, Bicol region, Mimaropa, west of Visayas, will be under the influence of the southwesterly surface wind flow or weaker Habagat, while Mindanao will be under the influence of the local convective thunderstorms. And so far you can see here those dark red, those are intense or extreme thunderstorms affecting the extreme northern parts of Luzon. And before we leave you, here's again the windy.com rain and wind forecast from the ECMWF model. By tomorrow afternoon, we could still see some isolated scattered thunderstorms across extreme northern Luzon and most parts of northern and central Luzon and portions of southern Luzon, and some areas of the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. While on Sunday afternoon, still same situation. We have the southwest monsoon here and the southwesterlies here, and lots of thunderstorms occurring in the afternoon of Sunday. And on Monday afternoon, a little lesser thunderstorm activity, but there are still some strong ones here across Ilocos region, particularly Ilocos provinces, Cagayan Valley, Batanes, and Babuyan Group of Islands because of the southwest monsoon, while the southwesterly surface wind flow will continue to prevail through Monday in various parts of Mimaropa, the Bicol region, Visayas, while local convective thunderstorms will prevail over various portions of Mindanao. Okay, so that's it. That's our latest for this Friday through Monday, August 21 to 24. And we will be returning again on Monday to give you more weather updates. From Typhoon2000.com, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be #TyphoonWiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you for watching our weather channel.